Qisun clothing reviews pricing explained what you get for your money. If you're exploring niche fashion brands, Qisun clothing might look appealing, but most people get this wrong by assuming designer-level quality comes at low prices. The surprising truth is that the brand positions itself as premium yet accessible, with pricing reflecting material and design quality. Prices for Qisun clothing range from for basic tops to for outerwear or limited edition pieces. Seasonal collections and collaborations can increase the price, while occasional promotions or bundle deals can offer discounts of 10–20%. Shipping is typically domestically, and international shipping may cost more. What you get: trendy, well-constructed pieces with unique designs, attention to detail, and occasional limited editions. What you give up: basic garments may not feature advanced fabrics or tailoring, and shipping costs can add to the total. Returns may vary depending on local policies. Here's how to evaluate. Step 1. Check the collection and desired items. Step 2. Compare price versus material and design features. Step 3. Include shipping or potential import fees in total cost. Step 4. Read customer reviews on fit, quality, and durability. You won't believe what happens next if you ignore sizing charts. The perfect design might not fit comfortably. The surprising truth is that Qisun clothing delivers style and value if you align your expectations with pricing tiers. In conclusion, Qisun clothing balances unique design and quality. Understanding price ranges and what each piece offers ensures you get fashion that's worth every dollar.